Hi, hello. Today I'm showing you Jeffree Star's Bloodlust palette. I'm going to show you some swatches. Hope you like. Right, I'm taking Wet Jewel. I'm doing the shiny shimmers right now. Right, this is Pink Magic. I wish I had some magic right now, but there you go. That's pink magic for you. What shall I choose? Yeah, I'll go with Beauty Sleep. I love Beauty Sleep. I just love shimmers, glitters. I'm a glittery girl or woman. That is Swan Enemy. Look how they shimmer. Right, I'm going for the matte colors now. That is Your Majesty. I'm going in for Take the Crown. Well, Take the Crown is a bit of a shimmer. Right, that one over there is called Deviant. Now, are you a Royal Pain? I think you are. So I'm swatching the Royal Pain. You know, when I go into the pans, I'm sorry, Jeffree, if you are going to watch this, I'm sorry. It's my first time to do swatches. So I know they're not good at all. But there you go. First timer. Bleeding Heart. It's lovely. The colour is so bright. Well, you can see it's lush. Oh, girl, I love that colour. That's definitely Dungeon. Dungeon. Scandal Water. Haven't had that from my enemy. I think I should have some. Alright, Scandal Water, I'll die. But I can't make up my mind, they're so bloody gorgeous. That is High King. High King. Vivid mood. Anybody has a vivid mood right now? By watching this, switch it off. Going into Blood Queen. Now, Betrayal. I tell you what, a lot of people have betrayed me. And I know these pinks and well, it's mostly purples look alike, but when you're using it, it isn't. And this is Betrayal. Do you feel betrayed right now? Well, I do. And the people close to me, they know why I feel betrayed right now. Right, this one is not black. It's got glitter, pink glitter. It's lovely. When you first see it, when you open your palette, you think that is black, but it's got a bit of shimmer to it. Right, I'm going for the shimmers this again, just in case the first time I didn't do it well. So I'm trying to improve myself. So I don't need to go over and over again. You know the colors and you know the shimmers. If you love Jeffree Star, not him exactly, but if you like his quality of makeup, especially the palettes, go for it. I mean, a lot of people, they go to the past and bring it up in this day and age, and they still don't buy it because of what he has done. But you know, forgive and forget, that's what I say. Not everyone is perfect. And here's the eyes. Give me a like and subscribe. Any comments you want to give me, any little tips, please do, because it's my first time. Bye.